Today, we're diving into the YamaziHD lightweight mini shovel, a compact yet robust tool perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this shovel promises longevity without the worry of rust or corrosion. Its sharp blade tackles various digging tasks with ease, from gardening to backpacking adventures. What sets this tool apart is its portability. Folding down to a mere 5.52 by 2.37 inches and weighing just 0.3 pounds, it slips effortlessly into its included nylon canvas carrying case, fitting snugly into any backpack or gardening kit. The sturdy handle locks securely in place, providing a comfortable grip during extended US.in action. The YamaziHD shovel proves versatile. Whether you're digging drains, planting vegetables, or tending to flower beds, it handles each task with precision. It's even handy for activities like digging for worms or creating sandcastles with the kids. This tool truly embodies versatility in a compact package. Customer satisfaction is paramount with YamaziHD, offering a 30-day return or exchange policy for peace of mind. For anyone seeking a reliable, space-saving shovel for both practical and recreational use, the YamaziHD lightweight mini shovel stands out as an essential addition to your gear collection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.